Jericho. Sobrang saya at so proud na makakasama ang magaling na aktor sa Game of Thrones. Kasama sa cast ng upcoming historical film, Quezon. Sila Ian Glenn, isang Scottish actor na nakilala sa Game of Thrones at Resident Evil film series. Si Glenn ang gaganap na Leonard Wood, isang American Army General na naging Governor General ng Pilipinas mula 1921 hanggang 1927. Sa press statement nitong Lunes, March 17, inanunsyo ng production company TBA Studios ang pagkakasama ni Glenn sa pelikula. Ian Glenn is officially part of the Bayaniverse, Catch the Game of Thrones, actor in TBA Studios, Quezon, which starts production this March. Saad sa kanilang Instagram post, si Jericho Rosales ang gaganap na former Philippine President Manuel L. Quezon sa pelikula. Well, overwhelmed at so flattered naman si Jericho Rosales na makakasama nga niya sa pelikulang Quezon ang isa sa pinakamagaling na actor sa Game of Thrones. Kaya naman so excited na silang lahat kung saan nagkaroon na nga sila ng script reading kamakailan. May kanya-kanya namang hanash ang fanay. The great Jorah Mormont. I wonder who have played. Watch again the video. It says he'll be Governor General Leonard Wood. Isa sa mga paborito kong Bruce Wayne. Grabe no, how much kaya ang talent fee niya na binayaran nila. Wow, so excited. Friendzone, good actor. I hope there will be meet and greet Mr. Glenn. Goosebumps. So excited to this project. Sheesh, from Jorah Mormont to Leonard Wood. New Bayaniverse unlocked. Sir Jorah can wait to watch this movie about former President Quezon. Better than Dragons. OMG, Sir Jorah. So exciting na naman, OMG, Sir Jorah Mormont. High Lord of the Grand Zone. Long overdue. Finally, gonna watch this. Halos lahat naman ay so excited na isa nga ang pinakamagaling na actor sa Game of Thrones na makakasama ni Jericho at ng buong cast ng Quezon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, comment down below.